Eating well doesn't have to be complicated, especially when life is busy. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple, anti-inflammatory, low-carb recipes designed especially for women over 50. Start your day with this avocado and smoked salmon power bowl. Rich in healthy fats and protein, it keeps you energized and satisfied all morning. For lunch, this anti-inflammatory chicken salad skips the mayo but keeps all the flavor, supporting digestion and reducing inflammation. Golden milk smoothie with turmeric and ginger, creamy yellow smoothie in glass jar, cinnamon sprinkle, cozy and calming, wellness drink, soft lighting, neutral background. Sheet pan lemon herb salmon with asparagus, roasted salmon fillets, fresh herbs, lemon slices, asparagus, oven-baked, rustic tray, cozy yet healthy dinner, realistic food photography.
And when you need something quick, these garlic and Parmesan-crusted zucchini slices deliver comfort without the carbs.
Healthy eating can be simple, delicious, and empowering at every stage of life.